True innovations only happen outside the playing field, outside the court, outside the battleground. It's here that disruptions breach the field and change the game. Take a look at that. Ordinary, you say? Well, we don't do ordinary. Because ordinary is where innovation goes to die. This, right here, is fighting crime. Chew on that. We're creating infrastructure to adapt to you, so you call the shots. If we can conquer space, we can defeat world hunger. Already rolling the ball on that one. There are great ideas out there, like getting buses to avert global warming. But big thoughts need to evolve from just being thoughts. They need to be set in motion. And when it comes to that, we're blazing a trail. We don't see obstacles as hurdles. They're just solutions in disguise. We're bringing technology to places it's never been before. We're scanning, we're tracking, we're mapping, and going far beyond what was imagined. With Amnex's Advantage 4.0 offerings, an imagined world is getting realized. Amnex. Take control of your world.